Hi, this is the May Take and Make video for grades 3 through 6, and we're going to be making stress balls with Orbeez inside. So when you open your box, this is what you're going to find: 2 balloons and some Orbeez, and that's all you need. So first, take your Orbeez. There's a little bit of prep. You're going to have to put the Orbeez in water so they can expand. So find a container, put your Orbeez in, and it's going to take about 2 hours for them to expand to this size, which is what you want. So once they're that size, the easiest way to get them inside your balloon is to use a water bottle. So we're going to put the Orbeez in the water bottle, and then you're going to blow up your balloon a little bit and kind of pour the Orbeez inside. Once you have all the Orbeez in the water bottle, you're going to blow up the balloon a little bit. And then put the balloon over the top of the water bottle and pour them in. There you go. Okay, once you have enough Orbeez in the balloon, then you just take it off the water bottle and tie it. And then if you want, you can carefully cut off this end so that's not in the way, and it's more just like a ball, and then you just squish it when you feel stressed or when you don't.